Hey guys, welcome to One Perfect Angel. Ugh. Hey guys, welcome to One Perfect Angel. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing. Sorry for these in the corner. Go away. Okay. So yeah, please enjoy it. Me, the person on the screen, will not be here during the video. So yeah, bye. I'll be over there. Okay. So the first one I have, I'm going to start with the big ones, and then I'll do the little ones. So the first one I have is number 9, Ace Blackburn. Okay. The next one I have is, let's see, what is this called? Elijah French Chili. See, I have him. His ears are really cute. Okay, the next one I have is Aqua Bunnington, number 7. Elijah French Chili is number 8. And then I have number 7, Aqua Bunnington. Then next I have, let's see, where is he? Number 22, LB Frog Legs. And then onto the small ones, which they messed up on the pamphlet because they showed this one I'm going to show you as a big pet, but it is actually a small pet. So it's number 23, Boots Black Cat. And then the next one I have is, where is it? Number 28, Sissy Bullpup. And then I have one more, and then I have my surprise one. And then I have number 24, Roosty Bantam. So, here it is. And then for my surprise, ooh, it's glittery, I like it, is number 50, Twinkle's Beetlebug. Here she is. And I don't know if you could tell her, she's really sparkly. Yeah. So that is all I have for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. I love Miranda.